Honorable Rashtrapati Ji, Her Excellency Srimati Pratibha Dev Singh Patel Ji, Honorable my dear colleague Dr. Purandeshwari Ji, Honorable Ministers of Education and heads of delegation from E9 and SAARC countries, ADG UNESCO Dr. Thang, Secretary Srimati Anshu Vaish, Excellencies, distinguished guests, friends from media, ladies and gentlemen. It is my proud privilege to welcome you all to this august assembly of literacy leaders and champions. I would in particular like to welcome Honorable Rashtrapati Ji. Respected Madam, your deep commitment to the cause of empowerment of women is well known. You have been determinedly espousing gender equality and female literacy. Your gracious presence will give tremendous impetus to the literary movement. On behalf of the Government of India, I wish to also extend a warm welcome to the Honorable Ministers of Education of Afghanistan, Bangladesh, Bhutan, Egypt, Indonesia, Maldives, Nepal, Nigeria, and Sri Lanka. From Pakistan, we have the honor of having amidst us the provincial ministers of Balochistan and Sindh. I would also like to extend a warm welcome to heads of delegations from Brazil, China, and Mexico. UNESCO has partnered with India in organizing the International Literacy Day this year. I welcome Dr. Thang and other officials of UNESCO. May I also welcome Excellencies, the ambassadors and the High Commissioners and other senior members of the diplomatic corps and international organizations who are here today. Nearly 1,000 delegates from all over India representing state governments, district administrations, Panchayati Raj institutions, civil society, and other stakeholders are participating in this celebration. Distinguished guests, we have been celebrating International Literacy Day with immense enthusiasm and dedication. But this year's celebrations assume special importance as New Delhi is the venue for this international celebration that are usually held at Paris. We would like to convey our sincere appreciation to UNESCO for this honor. We have also convened an international conference on women's literacy for inclusive and sustainable development to coincide with the celebrations. It is a matter of great satisfaction that the conference is graced by ministers and senior officials beside representatives of the civil society and international bodies from all E9 and SAARC countries. The conference will provide a platform not only on high-level discourse on literacy, but also to sharing of experiences and advocacy for promotion of literacy. Friends, in the era of globalization, the fruits of knowledge economy and democratic polity would accrue to an informed and educator citizenry. Literacy is therefore central to development and for sustaining democracy. Literacy bridges the socio-economic system. Learning empowers adults by giving them the knowledge and skill to better their lives, which also benefit their families, communities, and societies. Therefore, I take this opportunity again to convey heartfelt welcome to everybody and who are present here. And also, we must act individually and collectively to promote literate societies also. Once again, Honorable President and respected delegates, I take this opportunity to wish you all this all the best and International Literary Day celebrations and a purposeful day ahead of you. Thank you very much. Jai Hind.